Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing try-on makeup tutorial. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Nelly. Welcome to my channel. Every single month, I take my Boxycharm and I like to do a makeup tutorial using the products that are in the box. I love to do them, you guys love to watch them because I feel like these types of videos are more useful rather than just an unboxing, because you get to see how to use the products and you get to do a makeup tutorial using the products that are in the box. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. You pay $25 and you receive 5 full-size or deluxe sample items. 5 items. Guaranteed beauty related item. This month I actually received the original box and I received the premium box, but I did a poll on my Instagram and you guys said that you wanted to see the original box, so that is what I am going to be doing for you guys today. Without further ado, let's get into this video because my Boxycharm videos are usually super duper long because I share a lot of information. Alrighty, so the first thing that I like to do is I like to open up my box, see what I got, see how much everything is worth, because you only pay $25 for the most part. Each box is over 120 bucks, so I like to just go through everything, read everything, and share that with you guys first. So we have a little unit carton here from Boxycharm. It's such a cute theme. It's roses themed this month, and when you turn it to the other side, you have a list of everything that is in your box with the prices of everything. So I'm going to quickly run through everything and then we're going to go ahead and get into the makeup tutorial portion of the video. Okay, so the first thing that I see in my box is the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. Now this baby is huge. Look how big that is, you guys. It's a huge eyeshadow palette. You have 20 highly pigmented eyeshadows and this is what it looks like from Iconic London. This retails for $62. Mind you, you only pay $25 for the box. I get so repetitive in my Boxycharm videos because I say this in every single video. How the heck do they do this? Because this is $62 and you only pay $25 for your box. It's crazy to me. So when you open it up, oh yes. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look how beautiful this eyeshadow palette is. This is like a warm girl's dream. This is so beautiful. You have some matte shadows, you have some shimmer shadows, some neutrals, more pops of color. This is stunning. I cannot wait to play with this. Okay, so the next thing that I see in my box is the Luxie Beauty Complete Sponge Set, and this retails for a whopping 40 bucks. And you get 3 sponges. You have a baby sponge, which this is great for concealing your under eyes and also using it for powder. And then you get 2 other larger sponges for the rest of your face, cream contour, all that good stuff. I'm excited for this. I always love sponges. Honestly, out of my whole entire makeup kit, what I buy the most is makeup sponges because I go through them so quickly. My sponges get disgusting, like so dirty because I cake on my makeup. So that is what I buy the most is sponges. So whenever I get stuff like this, I get excited because I like sponges. That I see is the Amika Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. I believe this is for your hair. Yes, it's a leave-in cream that provides superior hydration, detangling, and lightweight conditioning, leaving hair supernaturally soft and smooth with brilliant shine. So this is more for the hair, and I was reading it in the back, and it says that you can also use this to kind of tame the little baby hairs up here that you have. So I'm going to use this towards the end of the video when I'm styling my hair to kind of tame things down because my hair has been it's very healthy, but it's been a little staticky lately. I don't know if it's the shampoo and conditioner that I'm using, so I'm going to use this to kind of tame the baby hairs down, and this retails for $25. Next, we have the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Face Pads, and this retails for $16. I have tried these before. I love these. These are great, so I'm excited to go ahead and try these in today's video for you guys to see how they work. And then the last thing that I see in the box is the Evio Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. And this retails for $10. I'm actually really excited to try these because they have hemp in them. And my skin right now, can't you tell? My skin is struggling, you guys. And I think it's because I have been consistently taking my iron medication because I am very anemic at the moment, which I will talk more in another video. I always say that I need to talk about it in another video, but I haven't sat down to film that video. So I am severely anemic at this moment. So I'm taking so much iron and so much vitamin C that I think my face is struggling a little bit. Can you see that? It's super duper dry, super irritated. I'm breaking out. So I hope these babies help out a little bit. And I'm excited for makeup wipes. Again, just like the beauty sponges, these two things are what I buy the most for my kit, for my personal use, because I go through them like water. That is everything that is in my box. I'm gonna go ahead, pick up my hair, and then we are going to get started with the makeup portion of this video. The first product I'm taking is the Facial Radiance pads that came in this month's Boxycharm by First Aid Beauty, and I'm just running this all over the skin, and look how gross. I was actually pretty surprised that my skin was that dirty because I had just finished washing it. Fancy! I'm gonna go ahead and take a concealer, and I am carving out my eyebrows, which I did do off camera because they take me forever, and I'm also using the concealer to prime my eyelids for eyeshadow. Moving on to eyeshadow, I am going to start off by taking the shade Ultimate Tan from the iconic London palette that we received in this month's box, and I'm going to apply this to my crease as my transition shade, and I am using a Sigma E40 to do so. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Taupe de Taupe, and I'm going to apply this again in my crease, this time using a Sigma E25, which is a little bit skinnier, a little bit more tapered, and I'm going to blend this in the crease as well, but I'm keeping it a little bit lower than that first shade that we applied, and I'm making sure to blend it out from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner. I'm going to go back in with that first blending brush that we use our transition shade with, and I'm just going to blend out all of those edges. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Deep Soul, which is a beautiful dark brown, and for this particular shade I am first going to begin to stamp it using a pencil brush just to kind of give me the shape that I want my eyeshadow to be in, which is more of a cat eye shape. And once I have the color really nice and stamped and pigmented, which you will see now in just a second, I'm going to go in with that previous blending brush, and I'm just going to blend it out again, smooth things over, make sure that it's nice and pigmented, make sure that I have my shape right, and just blend out all the edges. And then I'm going to take it a step further, and I'm going to go back in with that first blending brush and really blend out and blur those edges. I'm going to go ahead and take a concealer. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer, and I'm just going to begin to cut the crease. Now, I look a little weird now, but if you don't know where to cut your crease, just look up, roll your eyes around, and once you look down, you're going to see that your lid does a shape on its own. So all you want to do is just follow that one shape, and when I get to the outer corner, I'm giving it a little swoop. If you don't know what I mean, just watch what I'm doing in order to create that cat eye type of look. Now I'm going to go in with the Evio Skin Hemp Wipes that also came in this month's box, and I'm just cleaning up the outer corner to make sure that everything is nice and sharp. I'm going to go back in with my palette. I'm going to take the shade Marshmallow, and I'm just going to place this all over the lid just to kind of set that concealer into place and to bring back some brightness to the look. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take a brown gel liner. I don't know the company of this one, but I think it's ColourPop. I'm not sure. But all I'm doing is just creating a regular winged liner. And then once I get... Okay, so let me go back a little bit. For this part, I did not speed it up. I left as much clips of it as possible so that you can really see what I am doing. So once I create my regular wing liner, I'm going to take a pencil brush, and all I'm doing is just tracing the line that we created with the concealer using the brown eyeliner. please watch what I'm doing and you will see that it makes perfect sense. It's not difficult at all. You just need a steady hand and some patience and you will get it. Now, if you see here, I got a little dirty, mine got a little thick, but all you have to do is take some concealer like you see me do here and just go over any areas where you messed up, and that's it. You are good to go. Super easy, super simple. It does take a little bit of practice, but it is totally doable. I'm going to go ahead and take some concealer once again, and I'm just going to apply this to my under eyes because for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing the under eyes first, and then we're going to work on the skin. So I'm going to take a nude pencil and I'm going to line my waterline. I did receive this pencil in a Boxycharm, so if you have Boxycharm, you most likely have this pencil as well. And then I'm going to take the same dark brown eyeshadow that we used up in the crease in the shade Deep Soul, and I'm just going to take this and I'm going to apply it really tight to my lower lashes. And then I'm going to go back in with a this is like a more fluffy eye pencil brush, and I'm going to take the shade Ultimate Tan, and I'm just going to smoke out and dance. I was listening to the Outkast song, Shake It, Shake, 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 Shake It, Shake, 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 Shake It like a Polaroid picture. Here it goes. And I was having such a good time listening to early 2000s hits. I was having a blast, but all I'm doing is just blurring out that line that we created in the lower lash line. I'm going to move on to the skin. I'm taking the e.l.f. Putty Primer, and I'm just going to apply this in the T-zone and any areas where I want to look a little bit smoother. Taking my Luxie sponge trios that we received in this month's box, I'm going to take my foundation with the more nude sponge, and I'm just going to apply the foundation all over the skin. I was super impressed with the sponges. They're really nice and soft, and they blended everything so beautiful. I know this foundation looks a little crazy, but that's because I'm really pale right now, so please bear with me. I promise it comes together. I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer to the normal areas that I usually conceal, and this time I'm taking the white sponge and I'm just going to blend that out. I don't want to go into too much detail on the skin because I do this in every single video, and I really want this video to just be more focused on the Boxycharm products. So I am going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera once I'm done blending everything out, because it's the same routine. You guys see me do it all the time. Nothing has changed. So I'm going to be back with my full face done, and then we're going to jump straight into hair. I'm taking the Amika hair cream that came in this month's box, and I'm going to use it to smooth out all of my baby hairs. Okay, you guys, so this is it. This is the completed look. This is everything. I love the way that this look turned out. I was inspired by the picture of Kim Kardashian that she posted, I think it was this past week. She had like this really pretty cut crease, and I loved it. So I wanted to do kind of like the same thing but using browns, because I feel like browns is a little bit more wearable than that gray black that she had, and I really like the way that it turned out, and I hope you guys liked it too. It's a little bit more on the difficult side, but it's totally worth the patience. Everything performed so well, from the eyeshadow palette to the makeup wipes. I loved everything. I can't complain. Everything was amazing. Totally worth the 25 bucks. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you received this month in your Boxycharm, or what were you disappointed with, or what did you want that you didn't get? Because trust me, it happens to me sometimes. Sometimes I want certain things that I see other people get in their boxes, and I'm like, I really wanted that product in my box. But yeah, I'm actually really happy with everything that I received. I have to play a little bit more with the hair cream. I do have a wig on right now because I really wanted my hair to be long, but I have to play with the hair cream a little bit more, but it did do a really good job at smoothing everything and helping me blend my hair with the wig. As always, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on that bell, turn on those post notifications so that you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon with a brand new video. Mwah! Bye! Dingle your holes. Just kidding, I don't. Oh man.